Every family knows this week. 2 paychecks that land on different days. A volleyball fee you found out about Tuesday. Picture day, the water bill, and somebody's copay, all due before Friday. Nobody in the house is bad with money. The money just has more moving parts than any one person can hold in their head. By the end of this, you'll have the whole family in one file. Both pay schedules, a budget per person, the entire school year priced in advance, and a radar that catches the collision weeks before they happen. This sample family sees a late September week coming up $302 short and fixes it by moving one fee 7 days. Templates linked below, Excel and Google Sheets, same file. First win. Setup takes your people, and they're just rows you name. 2 adults, 3 kids, a grandmother you help support. 1 income or 2, any shape of family. Nothing here is assumed. Then both pay schedules. 1 paycheck every other Thursday, 1 on the first of the month. 2 income sync immediately shows you which check carries what. In this sample, the first of the month check carries the rent and utilities, $27.64 of its $3,150. That alone ends a whole category of household argument. Now the tab that makes parents exhale. The school year cost calendar runs August to June because family money runs on the school calendar, not the tax year. Every dated cost goes on the grid. Supplies, picture day, the fall sports fee, the spring club season, the camp deposit in March. This sample family school year totals $22.82, and September alone is $6.61. The point isn't the number. The point is you're reading it in August. Per person spending splits the same money by human. Groceries are line 1, always. But look at line 2, Ben. Quiet kid, expensive mouth. The braces run $185 a month. And that's exactly the shift this file makes. The braces stop being a recurring surprise and become a plan you already made. Here's what most family budgets get wrong. They think in months. But nobody misses a payment in a month. You miss it in a week, the week where 3 fees and 0 paychecks collide. The Crunch Week's radar scores every week. Money in from both schedules, every dated cost out, closing position. The week of September 24th flags, minus 302, because the volleyball club fee, the braces, and picture day all land between paychecks. So we go to What If and slide that fee 7 days, right next to the October 1st checks. Same fee, same season. Plus 83, covered. 1 email to the club treasurer, sent in September on purpose instead of in a panic. And the ritual that keeps the whole thing alive costs 10 minutes. The family meeting page fills itself out every week. What happened, what's coming, and one decision that needs the grown-ups. Sunday night, 1 page, done. No app subscription required to talk to your own family. Groceries get a weekly envelope that forgives. The sample runs $24 over in week 2, and instead of shame, the file just shows the running line, back to even entering week 4. That's how real families eat. Objections, honestly. Bank connection? Never. No logins, no linking, no scripts, which is why it runs in both Excel and Google Sheets. We're not a spreadsheet family. If you can fill in a fridge calendar, you can run this. 11,240 formulas are already doing the math. Kids' allowances? Tracked, with chore add-ons. Your phone? A phone view tab keeps this week's status in your pocket. If you're the household's human calculator, this is your resignation letter. 44 cents a week for the whole family's money in one place. Family Budget Command Center, instant download. Link at the top of the description. Set it up tonight. Run your first 10-minute Sunday this weekend. The channel's full of command centers, paychecks, debt, holidays, the works. See you in the next one.